The cord is a 2-wire 18-gauge cord. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. The JR3000V was one of Makita's very most popular recip saws. They made many changes to it over the years. Because of this, when you replace one part, it may be necessary to replace several others around it. If you go to Makita's website and search for the model JR3000V, you'll find a parts breakdown. At the bottom of the breakdown, there's a complete list of all the service bulletins. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the rear handle cover. Now I can remove the cord clamp that secures the cord to the housing. Once the clamp's removed, I'll loosen the screws that secure the cord wires to the switch. And now I can remove the cord guard from the cord. Now I can begin installing the new cord. First, I need to go ahead and prep the cord. I'll use the old cord as a guide to cut the wires to the proper length. Now I'll strip back about a 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires. Give them a twist. The next step is to tin the wires, that is to apply some solder to each of the wires to make them firm. You can see it on the old wires. To tin the wires, first I'll apply some flux. The flux makes the solder flow easier. I have a small vise I use when I do this. It just makes it easier to hold everything. Now I'll heat the wire with a solder gun and apply the solder. Now I can reinstall the cord guard. I thread the wires through the cord guard and over the insulation. Now the cord is ready to go back into the tool. I'll align the cord guard with the opening in the tool. I'll make sure that I have the main cord insulation over the location for the cord clamp. Then I'll secure the cord with the clamp. Now I can reattach the wires. The black wire was closest to the armature, and the white wire on the other post. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the handle cover. And that's all it takes to install a new power cord on your power tool.